No pasa nada, ma. No pasa nada, ya llama.
Mình khó.
Then you're in serious trouble. Watch these dogs' moments to laugh until your stomach hurts. I could watch my sleeping pup all day to capture moments like this.
This dog seems he lost faith in humanity. Looked like he was rehearsing for his first date with his girlfriend. Celebrity, whenever he sees the paparazzi, will be like, "No pictures, please."
Broccoli, 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 broccoli.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always team up. We did it! Crowders up.
Somebody press my nose!